देख रहे हो ये क्या है? दिख रहा है? Guys, finally Battlegrounds Mobile India is here and I have been able to download it after repeatedly trying for almost 24 hours now. And in case if you are not able to download this game, please be a little patient. They're adding more slots for beta testers. So I'm sure that you will get it over the next couple of days. But now the game is here. और मेरा वीकेंड हो गया है सॉर्टेड बिकॉज मैं अब बहुत सारे चिकन डिनर करने वाला हूँ एंड इट्स टाइम दैट वी टेस्ट दिस गेम. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टेक यू थ्रू द एंटायर गेम प्ले एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू व्हाट इज न्यू, व्हाट इज old. Also, you are also going to help me out with this because I'm not a regular PUBG player, so you will also have to spot the differences and tell me in the comment section that what has changed with Battlegrounds Mobile India. You're watching India Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. Let's start this video. Now before we start the video, let me remind you that we are less than 100 subscribers away from reaching the 1 lakh सब्सक्राइबर मार्क. और एक महीने पहले मैंने आपको चैलेंज दिया था कि देखते हैं बैटल ग्राउंड्स मोबाइल इंडिया पहले आता है या हम 1 लाख सब्सक्राइबर से पहले पहुंचते हैं. तो देखो, हो सकता है कि हम दोनों चीज़ें सेम डे पे कर दें क्योंकि गेम तो आ गया है. एंड नाउ इफ़ यू हेल्प अस we might reach that mark today itself. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. So once you have downloaded the data, the game will ask you to restart it. So you will have to just tap on OK and I think we'll now restart the game and see if it is good to go. Look at it in a better way. So there's a privacy policy right here which says this game is only for people who reside in India. So only players from India would be allowed to participate in the game, and it's quite a long and a comprehensive sort of privacy policy. So yeah, I think we don't have any other option but to accept it. So we will just straight away start the game. So there are 3 options to log in within the game. You can use your Twitter account, your Facebook account, and also your Play Games account. And from what we know that if you are actually using your Facebook account, which you're also using for PUBG Mobile India, then all of your data will come back to the game itself. What I'll do is I'll select my Play Games account and continue with that. So it is taking a while to load, by the way, so the load time is still quite high. At this stage, this is the lobby where you get to see everything about the game. So this is what it looks like. It's very similar to what we had on PUBG as well. What I'll do is I'll quickly head to the graphics settings, and so this is an interesting bit. Okay, actually I don't even remember this, if there was an Ultra HD and UHD option in PUBG. So if this was there, you let me know because I can't clearly recall it. For now, here you can't access this because it says coming soon, but it will be interesting to have it whenever that happens. And for even for UHD, you will have to download additional data of 179 MB, which I will probably do later. For right now, what I'll do is I'll play this game at HDR on extreme settings. We have reached in the waiting zone, and one thing that I was quick to notice is that the waiting time is actually now lesser. In fact, I play a lot of Call of Duty, and in Call of Duty the waiting time could be up to 80 to 90 seconds. Here what I got was about 45 seconds. The map, again, a lot of people thought that it would have a lot of India specific locations, but that is not the case here. So graphic wise this looks fine, and it's pretty ironical that the jacket that I'm wearing says ban because PUBG was actually banned 1 year ago. So as you can hear, guys, the I mean, at least the shooting sound is quite loud, so that is good because then you won't be missing out on a lot of in-game sounds. Oh ho, that is something interesting. Did you guys see that? So what has happened here is that they have replaced the regular red blood with your green blood. Also, I could see some leaves coming out of people. See, once the person dies, you could see actually some sort of leaves coming out of their body. So, but this is very interesting because what do you think of this, guys? Because I think they have tried to sort of, reduce the violence part of the game, and because of which they have replaced the blood, the usual red blood as we know it, with a green sort of color thing, and they've also put added leaves. I mean, I don't know, it looks like tulsi leaves or something, neem ke patte jaisa lag raha tha wo, but whatever it is, they have replaced. So here's the backpack again. I can see it looks very similar to your PUBG backpack that was there earlier. Also, I'm not sure guys, what do you think, because I think the character is not moving as fast as I would want it to. By the way, एक बार map भी देख लेते हैं फिर से. So as you can see here, some of the popular locations, shooting range is there. Not bad. Guys, how am I playing for someone who has never played PUBG in his life? I mean, not on a regular basis. I think detailing and all is also fine if you look at the graphics. I think थोड़ा सा sharpness better हो सकती है चीज़ों की. So I think this is more or less the game guys, because अभी तो ये चलता ही रहेगा ऐसे तो. So I'm gonna probably finish the game now, but this is what your first look at Battlegrounds Mobile India is. I've shown you what the settings look like, what are the new options in the game, how the map looks like. Also, I've given you a fair idea of the entire gameplay. Now you tell me, what all differences were you able to notice from PUBG Mobile India 1? Of course, I told you that the color of blood has changed from red to green. Then you get a lot of warnings. It in fact at one point showed that if you are spending too many hours on the game, then the game might shut down on its own. So all of that is there. That keeps asking you if you are older than 18 years or not. So all of that is there, but what all other differences did you notice? You also let me know, and I hope you like this video. So now I'm gonna finish this game, and if I actually go on to have some chicken dinner, I'll let you know through my Twitter and Insta accounts. So thank you so much for your time. Also, if you like this video, you found it useful, you subscribe to India Today Tech's YouTube channel, and if you haven't been able to get Battlegrounds Mobile India so far, if you haven't been able to download it yet, please be patient. They are adding more slots every single day in every few hours. So keep refreshing and keep checking that Google Play Store page, and I'm sure you will get it very soon.